Drag the correct word to the blanks. Match the words in column A with the words with similar meaning in column B.
Let's see an example.
I am not happy, I am glad.
Happy and glad mean the same.
Language focus. Quotation marks. We use quotation marks to show what someone said. We put quotation marks at the beginning and the end of the person's words. Use a comma before or after quotation marks. Start the first word inside the quotation marks with a capital letter. The hare said, I am the fastest animal. I am the slowest animal, said the tortoise.
Read the sentences.
I like fish.
I don't like fish. I like seashells.
Let's see how to use quotation marks.
Tinka says, I like fish. Tuna says, I don't like fish. I like. We use comma before the quotation marks. First letter must be capital after the beginning of quotation mark. Punctuation is used before closing the quotation mark. Remember, we use quotation marks in our writing to show that someone is speaking. The teacher asks, "What is your name?" The student replied, "My name is Shagor." Not. The teacher asks, "What is your name?" The student replied, "My name is Shagor."
Underline the sentences with quotation marks on your textbook, pages 54 and 55.